burping.
That's the burp, okay? Burping, come on. You burping? There you go.
There you go.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You, good job.
Yay, Grandma.
Yes, good job.
Yay, Mama Lillian.